So this right here is my old dryer, and instead of tossing the cable for this one, the power cord for this one, I'm actually going to reuse it on the new machine. I'm also going to reuse this thing here at the bottom. I'm going to take that out and then use it on the new machine as well. So when you get a replacement for your dryers, just be careful not to just, if you have a haul away that you signed up for, chances are they will take the whole dryer and you're stuck with the new machine. But the new machine actually does not come with a power cord. It actually does not come with a power cord, and that extension right there does not exist either.
Oh, hi guys. You're back. We just overstarted. Sorry.
So what I'm gonna do is replace, I have this thing here, the power cord from the old machine. So I'm just gonna replace that on the new machine. So I'm actually gonna connect these. It's a 4-pronged, if you see that, it's 4-pronged. I'm actually gonna connect these to that, all right, to those terminals. And then if you're curious, the instructions are actually very nicely written over here. So if you wanted to follow this, the instructions are right here, and I'm actually going to be following this right. I'm actually going to following this instruction right here, which is for the 4-pronged. So it's very easy. You have this color coded. If you think it's confusing, it's color coded. And so is this. It's color coded, red for red, black for black, and then the white one goes over here. The green one is ground. So it says to remove this. This is meant by default, this is for the 3-pronged wire, so I'm gonna have to remove this, and then we will just use this screw right here and then connect somewhere over here. Actually, I think this right here is where the green one will end up going, and if you notice, there's actually a signal for ground right there. There's also a signal for ground over here, so signal for ground. But this is again for 3-pronged. We actually are gonna do the 4-pronged wire, so it will actually connect over here. So red, black, white, and then the green one goes over here. All right, hopefully that makes sense. Let's get started. All right, first we're gonna thread this thing from here, and I want to make sure that the red, going in, it's already aligned. So let's make sure that it actually, let's make sure that it goes through here. All right, like this. And I want the red one to go to the top right here, and the black one will go to the bottom here. The white one goes over here, and then the green one goes right here. So that's how it's gonna work. So now I'm gonna get, I think the flathead will work for all of these. Either the Phillips or the flathead should work. For this one, I think I should be able to use this here, right here. All right, so here you go, this came out. And then let's see, I can use this one for sure. So like I said, red for red. So let's connect that one first. And I'll just connect it loose. You will notice that if you go closer here, let me see if I can get it closer. You will notice that each of these actually has a little teeth to it, and the teeth should be facing outside. So this little bend at the top will be facing outside, so it gets good connection with the actual wire coming from the machine. So here you go. This is the red one. Next one is the white one. So let's make sure. Like that. All right, so let's remove this. So we will remove this completely from there. You might actually need this in the future, so I'm actually gonna hang it somewhere here. So you know, it just continues to stay with the machine. All right, so putting this thing, all right, go find the white one. There. We don't need to tighten, we don't need to go super tight yet. Just let's get them connected to the right places, and then we'll come back and secure them. All right, so those right there, you will see, I'm gonna point here, black to the bottom here, the black one, the red to the red, and then white in the middle, and then this one right here will actually go on the top over here, right here. Let's see if I, all right. I don't know if I can. Yeah. All right, take this and then all right, that one I actually secured it right from the get-go. So one more time, and then now it's time to secure these, and then we're good to go. So connect these. Actually, let me change. Maybe get this one. Again, like I said, the idea is that if you replace your dryer, just make sure that you still keep the cables for the dryer. I know some of you will sign up for the haul away, and when you do a haul away with Best Buy, or say, you know, a Walmart or something like that, or Home Depot, for example, they will actually take the whole dryer, and that means they will take this cable as well. The last place that I checked, this cable right here alone was about $25. So if you're shopping around for a dryer and you're, you know, trying to save, you know, $10-15 on a dryer, you might as well get a little fancier dryer for that extra $25 that you would otherwise have spent just to get the cables. So the cables are gonna come to use, so keep them. You know, it's very easy to use this wire for you know, when you get the new dryer. So that's the moral of the story, I guess. The good thing here is that it's all color coded, so you don't have to worry as much. So now we're just securing this, and so they don't move. All right, that is it. So we will take the cover, and then this one goes like this. Right, and if it helps, I'm just gonna and then maybe I can take one of these. Oh no, I'll just secure it right here. Good. So it stays there. All right, so now we're gonna connect this, and then we're in business. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you guys.